Hello class, this is Trent Speck and I'm talking about AEP 873 module number 8. This is Google Site number 3 for the video. On this one I'm going to show you how to add a page and or subpages. The reason for this is on the left hand side, I'm on my home page of course. On the left hand side I talked about this in the second tutorial video. About how to put the sidebar up, but you can see that is very generic. There's not a lot of things here, and it's the same thing up here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a subpage. The reason for this is here's my home page. This would have everything about the class, maybe like the syllabus and stuff like that on there if I wanted to add that later, and I'll show you how to do that in this fourth section. But what I would do is probably create a subpage so people know, or the students know, about me. Okay, so if I create a subpage, we'll put Mr. Speck Life. Okay, I can create an announcement, a file cabinet, list, or start a page. I'm just going to keep it as a web page, and this is where you need this is where how you create a subpage is put the page under the home. Okay, so I do that, and I create it. It's very simple. I create it, and now all of a sudden I can go to home, and there it pops up right there, Mr. Speck's Life. And then that's where I could put about maybe my bio, about how where I went to high school, where I went to college, what I did in college, like I played a college sport, why I became a teacher, how long I've been at the school I'm at, etc. I could add a lot of files here if I wanted to. The other reason about subpages that I like is if I go to lessons and notes, I can create a lesson plan or subpages for different chapters, and that's what I would do. Chapter 1, and I can put a subpage for that under lessons and notes. So chapter 1 is titled just Personal Finance Intro, or chapter 1 Intro. We'll keep it there. Chapter 1 Intro. Okay, I can create that. And now it's good to go. It's under lessons and notes, and as we go along, they have it right here. And I can use this, and I can keep it like this for the whole year, and I can keep adding or I can subtract, and you can do whatever there. I'm going to go ahead and save this so it keeps updated. Very simple, yet very important to understand pages and subpages. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed.